So, if you were like me and went to the range and had too much money to spend, so you wanted to buy one of these ETS 19 round mags for your Glock 48, Glock 43X, let me tell you something. These things jam all the time. So I decided to email them and see what was up. And this is what they told me. The plastic around here is too thick. And they said it's not allowing the trigger bar to reset. So I said, well, can you exchange it? They said if we exchange it, it's going to do the same thing. So long story short, these are going to jam, brand new or whatever you do. They are just too thick around this piece here. Okay, so they are trash.